Everyone, this is an educational purpose video for explaining how the tips on the indicator gives us good insights to what the price is currently doing. So it says here on the long here, that's 300 bars, it says strong mean reversion. All right. So for strong mean reversion here, and the short and mid is mean reversion. So that means the price is mean reverting against the current trend. And here we have a trend to the downside here, like this here. So this is all we need. So that means the market is mean reverting. Okay. Just like we saw yesterday, we'll look for models that supports this mean reversion. So it says here in the tips, sell when the price spikes up, buy when the price drops out. So what do? We look for a model. So the price has done what? That's dropped, right? That's dropped here. The price has dropped here this way. So we have to buy, right? Now, which model says buy in this kind of situation? If we go to a lower time frame, like the 1 minute, here you can see what the price is doing here. Okay, now on the 1 minute it says no clear market character, but we're still going to follow the 3 minutes. Now take a copy from here, like this, then rescale. Okay, now you match this high here, right? You match the high and you match the lows in this area. Okay, now it's giving us some kind of choppiness here, but we have to fix it. And look at this lows here. Okay, so we're gonna buy for this. That's the model we found, right here. L in one direction model supporting this buy here that happened. Okay, so we're gonna take a buy from the current price level. Yeah, this is perfect. So we're gonna take a long here in gold. Remember, I'm not taking any of the trades this week, so this is just to explain the movement here. So I target these areas. First of all, I target this high, then I target this second high. Okay, all right, so that's it. All right, so we do not expect that this market sells. All right, and if you take a look at here, this area, you can see somewhat like an equal high here, and this equal high is telling us the price is going to get there. So let's expect that target first. Now let's go to the euro and the GBP. If you don't trade GBP, if you don't trade euro, you can click off here. You can see it says a strong mean reversion. Same thing. What are we looking for here? We're looking for mean reversion against the current trend, against the last current trend here. So mean revert. Okay. It doesn't matter whether it's selling. The indicator doesn't say sell. The indicator doesn't say buy. It says mean revert. Now look at this. Previously in price, you can see here the price is giving us a sort of buy here, which has completed this move. All right, and technically it hasn't gotten to this high here. All right, so price pushed down back again, which is statistically significant by this. All right, so let's see. Market is reversing hard after every move. Sell when price spikes up and buy when price drops. So we take a buy here again with L in one direction model. Now, if you miss this L in one direction model, you are going to have to use an L in two direction model. So we buy right from here. Then all the way to this high here. Okay, we're expecting a zero drawdown entry. Let's measure with a fib here. Take a measurement for the fib here and target here. Okay, we might still expect one more push to 0.618 here. So let's see here. That'll be a minor drawdown, so let's still execute right here. Okay, so this is it. We're expecting that high to be taken out today, this morning. Okay, let's see. Let's go. And finally, our EURUSD, the euro pair. Same price action, same concept and analogy here. You take a copy, say strong mean reversion. Okay, so take a copy here and rescale. Now you can see the highs here. All right, we might still expect a sweep here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, this pair hasn't gotten to 618 yet. Here, so we expect a long here on the euro pair. Then we target all the way to this highs. Okay, let me clear this out. Then put our target here, this high here. All right, so that's will be great for us. Okay, so I will try to drop as much tips daily from this indicator for you guys, so you can understand and apply them. All right, so after a couple of hours, we're going to be back and we're going to see the results of these trades. Good morning, everyone. This is 3 a.m. New York time. You can see our trade hit the stop loss here for wrong stop loss placement. Okay, the stop loss was hit here, and we but it got to our targets. Now, assuming this was our point of entry and we put the stop loss at the slow, would have been safe, but that's not the case. Okay, it hit our stop loss here and push to take profit. Now, this still validates the indicator. It said mean reversion, like you just saw, and it's a new week, by the way. This is a new week opening gap. All right, so it pushed to the upside, and our target was hit in this area here. Okay, that is good. All right, so let's check the others. The GBPUSD. So entry was not correct, but the move was correct. Okay, GBPUSD was the perfect one. Here, the GBPUSD says correct here. Okay, we had good entry at the 0.618 level, zero drawdown, and all the way to targets here. The market is directional, enter on pullbacks, okay, on all the scales. So if the market pushed down like this to continue for a trade this week, market pushed down like this, we look for a buy to take to the upside. All right, and finally, let's check the euro pair. All right, same. Okay, the euro pair had a huge drawdown. Right, had a huge drawdown right here, but still pushed to take profit. All right, so perfect, correct values, correct market regime, and boom. Now here on Telegram, I dropped these tips daily from the indicator, so you can test them out and try them out. The link is going to be in the description below, so check out the Telegram and have a profitable